Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram Reels watch history. Let's get started. For that, open up Instagram application in your mobile device and then log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile like icon right over here. Then tap on this three line icon. Inside settings and activity, under how you use Instagram, tap on your activity. Just like that, scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on watch history. Just like that, inside here, you'll be able to find all of the videos that you have watched. You can set it by authors, by dates, and newest to oldest. If in case you would like to delete them, simply tap on select. Select the video you wish to delete, then tap on remove. Now, tap on remove again, and just like that very videos will get deleted. And that's it. That is how you can delete Instagram Reels watch history. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.